Hello lovely people, I'm Akanshya and welcome to Catalytic Akanshya. So in today's video we will be trying out and reviewing a potato face mask. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the face mask is from the Innisfree Capsule recipe pack wali range. So this range contains two different variants के face mask. The wash off ones, which is like a usual face mask, you need to apply, then when it dries you need to wash it off, and then they contain the sleeping mask which you need to apply overnight and wash off, or it's of course fine if you do not even wash off your face in the morning, it's completely fine. So those are the two different types of face mask that this range contains. So this is the product that we are going to be trying out today. Can you see the container is so tiny and so cute? So it comes in this round container and it contains 10 ml of products and it retails for 150 rupees. I know it's a hell lot of expensive for the amount of product that you're getting, but trust me, सुनने में ऐसा लगता है कि 10 ml just एक बार में खत्म हो जाएगी, and that's true because this is by default a one-time use product, but I have used it 4 times till now, and still you can see in this clip right now it is so very existing because the product is quite a lot, and if I use it once a week it can easily last me for like 2 months I guess, or even more, I don't know, I might need to check it. So yeah. Now talking about its consistency, it has a very weird formulation and consistency. It is white in color and it feels something like mashed potato, you know, the feeling that you get in between your fingers if you mash the potato, the same feeling you get when you touch this mask. It is a very weird formulation ki face mask, definitely not like usual face mask. So that's that, and because of the consistency it is a bit difficult to apply because आप इसे apply करते हैं and if you swipe your fingers on top of that, it pretty much comes out. So yeah, that's that. Now talking about why this mask, okay, now Innisfree does not really make any such claims. I mean, even if it does, it is not mentioned in this pack, so that's a bit of disappointing because you need to mention what the product is meant to do, because if the brand does not even make any claims regarding a certain product, the consumers pretty much don't have any expectations to make. So most of the times people won't even buy that product because they do not know what to expect from it and what will it actually do to them. So yeah, but I was in search of a potato kind of a face mask because of my pigmentation and scars, so I got this, and of course potato has been used from like ages for lightening your complexion, your tanning, your scars, your blemishes and pigmentation. So of course potato helps with all the lightening things, so I am hoping that this will do the same. So that's that. Now coming to my experience and what I felt after using this for 4 uses. So I didn't really see any such lightening thing going on my face because of this product. So you might think, what did it do? It did hydrate and moisturize my skin and it rendered a little bit of glow to my face, not a lot, just a tad bit, and yeah, those were the things that it actually did to my face. So if you're someone who is looking for a very hydrating and moisturizing face mask, then you might try this, but otherwise so far I didn't see any such lightening going on my scars and pigmentation, but of course I will give it fair chance. I'm gonna use it till it lasts, and I think it's gonna last more than 2 months because I am a really miserly person when it comes to things like these, which are really less in quantity and a lot costlier. So yeah, now talking about the usage, you need to apply it on a clean face and you need to spread it evenly all over your face with adequate amount of product that you need. But yeah, it is actually a bit difficult to apply it evenly though, so that's a thing. But otherwise, after applying it, you need to keep it for around 10 minutes, then wash it off with warm water only. They instruct you to wash it off with warm water, I don't know why, so I haven't messed it up also. So this is the amount of product that I still have. Now when you apply it, you feel like you're applying a face cream rather than a face mask because of its formulation. Now talking about will I recommend this product to you, of course I will, because this is not a bad product and this is not a very great product also. It's somewhere in between. It's like a mediocre product, so I would really recommend you, because as I said, if you are in search of a face mask for hydration, go for this. It really hydrates your skin. I mean, the moment you wash off your face, you can just feel the hydration rendered to your skin. Okay, so of course it hydrates, but the lightening of scars and blemishes is something that is still needed to be tested out. So yeah, that's something I'm not sure of. So if you want to try this, if you want to experience this, of course you can go ahead. So yeah, I think with that it's a wrap for today's video. I hope you liked it and you found it helpful. If you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up and also share it, and I'll definitely see you with another video. Until then, it's me, Akanksha, signing off. Bye.